AI's predicted surges. Number 3, SK Square plus 30.59%. Number 2, Rigetti Computing plus 33.15%. What is the number 1 stock? Check it right now. Shifting our focus to Modine Manufacturing, ranked at number 10, the company is drawing significant attention this morning. Simplywall.st suggests Modine could be as much as 40% undervalued, bolstered by robust Q1 results and optimistic 2027 guidance. This sentiment of confidence is further underscored by Royal Bank of Canada reporting over $17 million in stock holdings. However, after an impressive 195% gain over the past year, Yahoo Finance does raise questions about whether growth hopes for Modine are now overstretched. Yet, our AI models project a positive outlook for the near term, with a 15-day expected return of plus 14.7% for Modine Manufacturing. Turning our attention now to Applied Materials, the semiconductor equipment giant, which has been making headlines. The company's stock is currently under a fresh wave of scrutiny, particularly after news broke regarding Michael Burry's short bet. This comes as investors are also analyzing Applied Materials' historical stock splits and future prospects, all while the focus intensely remains on AMAT's potential to deliver amidst robust AI chip spending. Against this backdrop of significant market interest and operational focus, our AI analysis projects a substantial 15-day expected return of plus 15.9% for Applied Materials. LG Electronics, currently ranked number 8, has been a standout performer in recent trading. Its shares have seen significant surges, including a notable 24% leap after showcasing groundbreaking automotive innovations utilizing Google technology. This comes amidst broader market trends, with the company's stock also gaining traction as South Korea's inflation cools. The momentum is further fueled by LG's aggressive push into physical AI, a factor that has contributed to its shares surging over 300%. Looking ahead, our AI models project a robust 15-day expected return of plus 16.3% for LG Electronics. Turning our attention to Cloudflare, the company, ranked number 7, has certainly captured investor interest. Recent headlines report an earnings beat, with significant momentum building from its agentic products. This strong performance saw Cloudflare advance 9% as part of a broader software stock surge, alongside notable leaps from Atlassian and Twilio. We've also seen Cloudflare stock remain a focus within Cathie Wood's ARK trades. Now, looking at the immediate outlook, our AI models are projecting a robust 15-day expected return of positive 16.9% for Cloudflare. At number 6, HD Hyundai Heavy Industries is currently projecting a 15-day AI expected return of positive 17%. This significant forecast comes amidst a dynamic period for the company. Simplywall.st highlights HD Hyundai Heavy as a potential buy, particularly with its upcoming dividend, a sentiment seemingly shared by the top 1% of ultra-high-quality investors who have been noted for net purchasing the stock, according to. However, the company is also navigating a serious operational challenge, as Upstream Online reports that all work has tragically stopped at its leading South Korean yard following recent deaths. Despite this critical situation requiring close monitoring, the AI-driven outlook points to substantial potential movement ahead. Turning our attention to the memory sector, SK Hynix remains a key subject in the ongoing trade discussions. Analysts are currently assessing its valuation gap, particularly relative to industry peer Micron. Amidst this focused market scrutiny, our proprietary AI models are projecting a robust 15-day expected return of plus 18.3% for SK Hynix. Turning our attention now to Illumina, where recent institutional activity is catching the market's eye. Empowered Funds LLC has notably increased its stock holdings in the genetic sequencing leader. This positive move from institutional investors comes despite the stock's underperformance compared to competitors on Friday. Adding to internal developments, equity awards for Illumina's chief commercial officer are now explicitly tied to EPS and total shareholder return, aligning executive compensation with core financial metrics. Amidst these varied market signals, our AI models are projecting a significant 15-day expected return for Illumina of positive 21.5%. Let's focus now on SK Square, holding the number 3 spot in our rankings. The company is generating considerable buzz as SK Group chairman Chae Tae-won has reportedly made his first-ever personal purchase of SK Hynix shares, a development that has Wall Street anticipating the stock could more than double. This comes alongside SK Square's massive approval of a KRW 35.2 trillion investment for the Yongin Semiconductor Cluster Phase 2. Amidst these pivotal strategic moves and a clear show of executive confidence, our AI's 15-day expected return for SK Square currently stands at a bullish plus 30.6%. Turning to Rigetti Computing, the quantum computing firm has seen a mixed bag of news. While Rigetti's stock did experience a pullback after its Q2 revenues missed the mark, there's significant underlying momentum. Barron's highlights that major quantum orders are now fueling growth, with Wedbush noting a commercial mix inflection driven by Naver shipments. This forward-looking sentiment aligns with our AI, which is forecasting a robust 15-day expected return of plus 33.2% for Rigetti Computing, making it our number 2 ranked company. We're now focusing on Marvell Technology, trading under the ticker MRVL. Shares are up 4% today, driven by a key trading signal that has caught investor attention. This uptick follows a period of notable volatility for the company, including a significant 37% decline in its stock price back in July, and ongoing discussions surrounding its valuation, with some analyses suggesting a pricey narrative post its recent AI memory launch. Despite this mixed picture and past fluctuations, Marvell Technology remains a focal point in the AI sector, earning the number 1 rank in our analysis. Our AI models are projecting a substantial 15-day expected return of positive 48.7% for MRVL, highlighting significant potential upside that investors are closely monitoring. Powered by the top-ranked AI Ensemble model, we analyzed 7 major indicators like OBV and our SI through Tech and Quant to bring you these rankings, completed with reinforcement learning. See you again at this time tomorrow.